If you want your YouTube channel to actually look professional, your banner matters a lot. So in this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a clean, eye-catching YouTube banner using Canva step by step. First, open Canva and go to the search bar. Type YouTube banner and hit enter. Canva will load templates sized correctly, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. Now, choose a template that fits your content style. Like, if you're doing tech, go for something clean and modern. Gaming? Maybe something bold. Don't overthink it, just start with a good base. Okay, this is important. YouTube banners have a safe area in the center where your text should go. Anything outside that might get cut off on mobile or TV screens. Next, click on the text and replace it with your channel name, tagline, or upload schedule. Keep it short and readable, don't try to fit too much. If you've got a logo or personal photo, upload it using the Uploads tab. This helps build your brand and makes your banner feel more personal. Now, match your colors and fonts to your channel's vibe. You don't have to go crazy. Just keep things consistent and easy on the eyes. Alright, make sure everything is centered and aligned inside the safe area. Use Canva's guides to keep your design balanced. Once you're done, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG for high quality. It works perfectly for YouTube banners. Finally, go to your YouTube channel, click Customize Channel, then upload your new banner. Adjust positioning if needed, and save. And yeah, that's it. A clean, professional YouTube banner made in Canva. Keep it simple, keep it clear, and you're good to go. Try a few variations and see what works best for your shan.